They come. Come on. Come on. Yeah, ready? Go get it. Go get it. Yeah, look at you jumping around. Come on, get it. Right here, come here. Can you sit? This is Poncho. Right here, Poncho. Sit. You want a treat? Come here. It's okay. Say, yeah, thank you. Thank you. Where's your sister? Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Right here. Hi, honey. All right, these are brother and sister, Poncho and Lola. Come on, guys. Come. Come, right here. Right here. Yeah, you ready? Go get it. Hey, he runs just like a puppy. What a cutie pie. What a cutie pie. Hi. Can you sit? Sit for me. Sit. Hello, sweetheart. Oh, you're beautiful. Poncho's the male. He's a little more timid than Lola. Let's go see what Lola's doing. Lola, come. Come. Lola, come. Come here, Lola. Come. This is Lola. Hi, honey. Here you go. You want a treat too? Right here. There you go. All right. These are two beautiful, beautiful dogs. They don't have to be adopted together, but we'd like them to be because Poncho's a little less sure of himself. Come on, guys. Ready? Go get it. Woo! All right. Come on down and see him. Right, sweetie? Say bye. You kiss the camera? Yeah.